Hello students, we will now discuss about power of 10. First of all, there is a question that what is actually power of 10? So first of all, power of 10 is nothing new thing, but yes, it is called as a for conversion purpose. In physics, whenever we are converting small quantity to higher quantity or higher to smaller, so it is for the smaller to higher unit conversions. For higher to smaller unit conversion, we are in a need of a sum of the power 10. Sorry, it is making our task easier whenever we are playing with the numbers. So for that we are in a need of some of the basic conversion units which we are calling as a power of 10. Okay, so first of all we have power 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, and next one is called as a 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 1 is called as a deci, then centi, it is called as a milli, then fourth, fifth, and sixth one. Fourth one is called as a 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 9, and 10 to the power minus 12. It is called as a micro, nano, and pico. Then seventh and eighth one, it is called as a 10 to the power minus 15 and 10 to the power minus 18. It is called as a femto. In near future we will also use this word for me. And next one is called as atto. So they are having some of the symbol notation. Deci is represented by the small, this is the small c, this is a small m. I'm just bifurcating in a very small part. It is a small m, sorry. Next one is called as a micro, nano, and pico. Micro is shown by the symbol mu, nano is a small n, and pico is a small p. Next one is called as a femto, small f, and atto as a small a. Now how to remember it? Friends, I have just shown you that there is a small method. It is called as a separation of a 3, 3 and 2. It is called as a deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, and atto. You can remember as, or you can say play with the song like deci, centi, milli, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, micro, nano, pico. Then we have a femto and atto. So there is a continuous song will be deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, femto, and atto. Let's say just I am just showing you one example of it. Let's say I am using this word 1 centimeter. It means that m is the unit, but centi is not the unit. It is the one type of conversion part. So centi contains 10 to the power minus 2 meters. Let's say I am just giving you, I have a 1 micrometer. Yes, meter is the unit, but micro is not the unit. So micro means 10 to the power minus 6 meters. Let's say I am saying that I have a 6.625 cross 10 to the power 15 micrometers. So I want to convert this micro into normal meters. So 6.625 10 to the power 15 micro means 10 to the power minus 6 and unit is meter. Yes, you can play with the numbers. 10 to the power, yeah, 15 we have a minus 6, so that would be plus 9 meters. So this is how it has been converted. This is called as a negative powers. Now we have some of the positive powers. It is called as a 10 to the power 1. Another is called as a 10 to the power 2, and third one is called as a 10 to the power 3. It is called as a deca. It is called as a hecto or hecta. Next one is called as a kilo, then fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 9, and 10 to the power 12. It is called as a mega. giga, and next one is called as a tera. Last twos are 7th and 8th are 10 to the power 15, which is called as a peta, and 10 to the power 18, which is called as a exa. Deca is represented by Da. Be careful again. 10 to the power minus 1 is a deci, represented by the small d, and 10 to the power plus 1, it is represented by the deca, it is represented as Da. Hecto is represented by the small h, k is a small k. Yes, you can place that capital K. Again, I am bifurcating in a three parts and two part. Mega is represented by the capital M, giga as a capital, tera as a capital, peta P is also capital, and exa E is capital. Yes, in physics there are so many quantities which are, you can say that you can see pico is a small p, while we have a peta as capital P. You can also just see that how we are converting it. Let's say I am putting an example for you. I am saying that I have 1 kilogram. Yes, gram is the unit of mass, but a kilo means you have to put 10 to the power 3 gram. Yes, so how you can say that in the primary section you have learned that 1 kilogram equals to 10 to the power 3 gram. This is the reason why we are putting 1 kilogram. Let's say I'm using this word. I have a 6.625 cross 10 to the power 15 gigagram. Let's say giga. I'm putting capital G. So it means that you have to say that 6.625 cross 10 to the power 15 and giga is 10 to the power 9. So you can have a 6.625 cross 10 to the power 24. This is how you can just see that. Again, I am repeating that how you can recall it. It is called as deca hectokilo, deca hectokilo, mega gigatera, mega gigatera, peta and exa, peta and exa. I am just calling it is again in a full form, in a full number. It is deca hectokilo, mega gigatera, peta and exa, while in the smaller one it is a decicentimilli, micro, nano, pico, femto and atto. So you can see that there are again 10 to the power minus 1 to minus 18 quantities we will have, and again over here we have a 10 to the power plus 1 to 10 to the power 18. How you can recall it, how can you remember it? It is very much important one, and while you are very much familiar with such type of power of 10 conversion, it will be quite easy for you to play with the smaller to higher units. You can say smaller units means CGS to the higher unit of MKS, so you can easily convert it. So whenever you are just trying to solve some of the examples, we will just go in the depth of it. So next clip I will show you that how you will play and how you will convert with the help of a power of a 10. Hope you will cope up, and we will meet in another next clip with some of the examples of such power 10. Thank you.